Hello everyone, welcome to another Coffee Break webinar. My name is Fred Phillips, I'm an applications engineer with data physics. Today we're going to be covering downloading and installing the SignalCalc 900 series software.
The agenda today will cover the DP download application, entering your customer credentials, downloading the SignalCalc 900 series software and the setup wizard, and configuring the hardware. Additionally, we'll cover how to install the software on a computer that's not connected to the internet. I'll start by doing a search to bring up our home page, and then navigate to Resources and 900 series software download. This gives me a link to get the DP download software. Once that's complete, we'll launch the downloader application and follow the on-screen instructions to install. Please select any option to install supporting applications during the process. We also recommend using the default installation directory in the C drive. Once installed, launch the DP downloader application. It'll ask for your customer name and password. Credentials are given on a card shipped with the Abacus 901. If you've lost this card, please contact Data Physics via the Contact Us Support Request Instruments form on the web page. If you get an error connecting to the Data Physics server when you log into the downloader, you may need to follow the offline instructions at the end of this video. Inside the DP downloader application, we can see a list of available software packages for your customer ID. Select the DP 900 software and click Install Selected to launch the setup wizard. Once again, please select any supporting applications to install in the process. Again, we recommend installing in the default directory in the C drive. We also recommend accepting the default data server name, which is Abacus 0 at your PC name. Once the wizard reaches the completion hardware setup page, we'll stop and verify that our Abacus is connected correctly. First, we'll verify the physical connections. The Abacus is powered over the Ethernet line, so we'll connect from the Abacus LAN port to the LAN plus DC port of the PoE injector, or any other port on a powered Ethernet switch. Next, we'll connect the LAN port of the PoE injector to the test PC LAN port. Wait a minute for the Abacus to boot up, and we should see front panel lights start to flash. For Abacus 906 or 912 systems, connect the number 1 Ethernet port, the top port on the very right card, to your PC's Ethernet connection. Flip the power switch on and wait for the LEDs to start flashing green, indicating the chassis is fully booted up. Next, we'll search your Start menu for Network Connections. We'll right-click on the Ethernet port that the Abacus is plugged into and select Properties. Then we'll navigate to the IPv4 and select Properties again. Here we can enter the IP address and subnet mask for your PC that the Abacus is expecting. Quattro users simply need to plug in their Quattro to a USB cable at this point. We can then hit Next on the setup window to launch the hardware configuration window. Within the hardware configuration window, your customer ID and password should auto-populate. Select Update Firmware to ensure the hardware will work with the current version of the software. The software key is used to password protect your database. If you're not sure what to use here, put 123. Quattro users, select the Enable Quattro button and click Configure. Once the hardware updater completes, you may be asked to reboot your Abacus. To do this, I'll unplug the Ethernet cable from the back, wait 5 seconds, and plug it back in.
At this point, you can finish the installation wizard and launch the SignalCalc 900 series software. Inside the SignalCalc 900 software, we can select System Configuration and see that our abacus is online and available to run tests.
So what happens if you work at a secure facility and the test PC is not connected to the internet to be able to download and authorize the software? In this case, we can use a PC that is connected to the internet to create an offline package that can be physically transferred to the test PC. From the test PC with the internet, launch the DP downloader package. Select the DP900 software, right-click, and create offline package for selected. This creates a .ddp file. Transfer this and the DP downloader installation file to the test PC with no internet access. On the test PC, launch the DP downloader application. When logging in, select the Offline button. You can then select the .ddp offline package.
Follow the installation wizard as previously shown. That concludes this coffee break webinar on the SignalCalc 900 software installation steps. Thanks for watching, everyone. For more useful videos on the SignalCalc 900 software and how to perform various tests and measurements, please see the Data Physics YouTube page. For more information about data physics test systems, as well as web support forums, please go to our website, dataphysics.com.